Hi guys, and thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to cook very simple and delicious treat, nut meringue cookies. For this recipe we will need some egg whites, sugar, nuts of your choice, almond flour, cornstarch and vanilla extract. Toast 100 grams of nuts of your choice on a stovetop for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow to cool and chop nicely. I've used almonds and hazelnuts, but you can substitute any nut you like. Now beat 90 grams of egg whites on a medium speed until soft peaks form. Depending on size, it can be 2 to 3 egg whites. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and gradually start beating in 50 grams of sugar until all the sugar is incorporated and the meringue stiff peaks form. Gently fold in 15 grams of sifted almond flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and chopped nuts. Prepare your sheet pan and place about 14 spoonfuls of butter, about 1 tablespoon each, onto the pan. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until golden. And this is it. Your nut meringue cookies are ready.